Hey, Marshall, who are your new pup pals?
They're twins, Ryder. Isn't that cool?
I'm Ella. I'm Chuck. And we're looking for the ladybird.
The ladybird?
Hey! I'm the most super-looking, super baddie this town has ever seen!
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
A strange bird lady lifted our clean car into the sky and then she bumped into our beautiful bridge.
Ladybirds!
It looks like it's going to fall down.
We're on it, Mayor Goodway. Mighty pups are on a roll!
Oh, look, Chickaletta. Mighty Skye is here to save us.
Ryder, Mayor Goodway and Chickaletta are trapped inside Ladybird's nest.
We need to figure out a way in, but all the mighty pups are busy. I think I know a couple of pups who can help.
Us? Time to think big.
Great job, Mighty Ella. Rubble, take tack across to save Mayor Goodway.
You've got it, Ryder.
These ladies are big trouble.
I'm gonna go through them.
Tuck did it! I'm going in!
Now that's a super rescue. Thank you, Mighty Pups. Thanks again, Ryder and the Mighty Pups. You saved me, Chickaletta, and Adventure Bay from the bird lady.
No problem, but we couldn't have done it without the mighty twins.
Welcome to the Adventure Bay bird spotting contest.
I'm going to stealthily sneak up on amazing avians, then click my camera.
Ready, set, spot!
A blue-bellied roller! Ah, a nest. A photo of the fledglings would certainly be a find. Ah, I have a much better idea of how to win this contest. Whoa! I'd better call the PAW Patrol. I'm perched up here, PAW Patrol!
We'll get you down and back to your bird spotting contest in no time.
Ladder! OK, Captain Turbot, climb down.
My toes can't touch the top.
I'll help you. I'm good. Mama Bird's good too.
Ah, the nest!
We'll take care of it, Captain. Come on down. Rocky, we'll need you to find something that can be a new nest for the birds.
Don't lose it, reuse it. It's okay, little birdies. I have a nice, comfy new nest for you.
Great work, Rocky. Now we just need to move the nest to a safer spot. There's one.
Hang on, Rocky.
There you go, little birdies. Hope you like your new home.
I believe that's blue-bellied roller for thank you.
Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Chase? Is that you?
Yeah. Chickaletta and I fell asleep, and when we woke up, we'd somehow switched bodies.
Wow, that's really strange. Thanks for hurrying, pups. And Chicken. Those strong winds lifted the Flounder high into the air and onto the top of Jake's mountain. Rocky, I need you to build a trailer so we can move the Flounder back to the bay. And Chase, I need you to use your winch to pull the Flounder onto the trailer. Paw Patrol is on a roll! Where are Chase and Chickaletta?
Teamwork takes time, but we'll get there.
I know you will, Chase. Okay, Rocky, start building the trailer.
The trailer is ready.
Okay, Marshall, let's hook this onto your truck and pull the boat back down to the bay.
If that trailer gets trashed, the Flounder will be flotsam.
Pups, the trailer's come loose and the Flounder's rolling downhill straight towards you.
Quick! We've got to stop it! It's great! We're ahead of the trailer. When I say now, start to slow down. Now! Hold it. Hold it. And... All right. Yes!
Everything okay now, Captain? Not you too.
Wally and I wanted to tell you it feels fantastic for the Flounder to be floating again. Thanks, Paw Patrol.
Huh? Huh? I pause again. That was some dream.
Now stand back, kiddies. It's time to test the auto trousers. Ah, they work! One fruit smoothie, please. No, no, it's my drink. Down, kitty! What's happening? Oh, no!
Huh? What's that racket in my corn?
Help! My trousers are out of control!
Mayor Humdinger? Trousers? Sounds like he's in some strange trouble. Better call the Paw Patrol.
My out-of-control trousers can't stop!
Skye, follow that mare.
I won't let him out of my sight. I can see his shiny metal trousers.
Metal. That gives me an idea. Rubble, I need you and your electromagnet to stop a runaway mare.
No problem.
Help me!
Ryder! Mayor Humdinger's heading straight for a cliff.
Help! I'm falling! Help!
Open your eyes, Mayor. I've got you.
Oh, oh, get me out of these things!
Are you okay, Mayor Humdinger?
Yes. Thanks for saving me from those awful auto trousers.
Whenever your trousers are out of control, just yelp for help.
Ooh, what's that, Mr. Wingnut?
The Wing Flinger 3000. A turbocharged automated flying disc that even comes back to you after you throw it.
Isn't it supposed to come back now?
Ah! Stop that Wing Flinger! Whoa! What was that? Better call Paw Patrol. Thank goodness you're here, Ryder.
We'll get you down, Mr. Porter. Marshall?
Ladder!
Phew. Thanks, Marshall. Oh, my bucket's still right up there, though.
No problem. I'll get it. I'm fine.
There goes the flying saucer.
The wing flinger's got Callie! What are we gonna do?
We've got the best disc catcher in Adventure Bay. Who can help?
Who?
Robodon, catch that disc. Chase, your net.
Net!
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.
Wally? What in the weird, wide, wintry world? Cousin, why did you not say we were having the standing still contest? I shall stand still longer than you. No time for foolishness, Francois. I've been freakishly frozen. Freakishly frozen? I'm calling the... PAW Patrol?
Marshall, let's head to the docks to unfreeze Captain Turbot and Wally.
Ready or not, I'm coming in hot.
Skye, you go after Harold and his freeze ray.
Roger, Ryder.
At last, the mighty pups.
Let's bring on the heat.
Thanks a million, Mighty Marshall.
No problem.
Ryder, watch out for Harold's freeze ray.
Everest, time to fight ice with ice.
Let's do this.
Hey! Freezing people isn't nice. Oh, right. Time to abandon my nephew Maymobile.
Whoa! Whoa!
My meteor piece! My superpowers!
No!
Thank you, mighty pups, for warming the town and our hearts.
No problem. Whenever you get a big chill, just yell for help.
I don't even like the cold.
I'm flying all around the world in my big balloon. Exploring and adventuring is what I love to do. Wherever I go, that's where I am, over land, sea and snow. I'm traveling Travis, and this is the Traveling Travis Show. Whoa, a seagull. And I shall name you, Chickaletta. Oh, Chickaletta, there it is. The North Pole. With no snow.
Hi, Tracker. What's up?
Look,
What a winter wonderland!
That's Chickaletta and Travis.
See, and he thinks he's at the North Pole?
We're on our way. Robo-Dog, head to the jungle.
Hola, Ryder. He's up there.
Hold on, Travis. We'll get you down.
Ryder, how'd you get all the way up here to the frigid North Pole?
Chase, I need you to launch your net for Travis and Chickaletta to drop into. We're going to get you down, Travis.
Better do it fast. Look.
This adventure continues to be more and more amazing.
Whoa! Chase, launch your net now.
Ruff, net.
Wowee! Where's the spider that made this web? It must be gigantic. So, I bid a fond farewell to the North Pole. Sadly, I had to say goodbye to my faithful companion, Chickaletta. But I found a new one. Where to, Hamsteretta?
All right, welcome to Paw Patrol Rescue Camp.
Whoa! Skye has some seriously cool gear. I'm sure she won't mind if I try this on. Woof, woof! Wings! Whoa! Totally extreme! Gotta let my fans in on this. Check it out, stunt fans! Daring Danny X is sky high. Whoa! Whoa! This isn't as easy as I thought! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Oh, that's nice. It's a lovely day to go flying. Danny's flying. I'd better call Ryder.
I probably should have asked Skye for flying lessons before I tried this on! Shoo, please! I don't know how to work this thing! Don't you have a nest to build or something?
Look, there's Danny, and it looks like he's trying to get away from an eagle. Chase, get your net ready.
I'm ready to catch him, Ryder.
must have lost the eagle in that cloud. Oh no! Incoming!
Chase, your net!
Rough net!
Phew! And that concludes another Daring Danny X adventure! Sorry I accidentally borrowed your wings, Skye. It was a little too daring, huh? Even for me.
It's okay, Danny. I'm just glad you're okay. Ooh, what's that, Mr. Wingnut?
The Wing Flinger 3000. A turbocharged automated flying disc that even comes back to you after you throw it.
Isn't it supposed to come back now?
Stop that Wing Flinger! Whoa! What was that? Better call PAW Patrol. Thank goodness you're here, Ryder.
We'll get you down, Mr. Porter. Marshall?
Ladder!
Phew. Thanks, Marshall. Oh, my bucket's still right up there, though.
No problem. I'll get it. I'm fine.
There goes the flying saucer.
The wing flinger's got Callie!
What are we going to do?
We've got the best disc catcher in Adventure Bay. Who can help?
Who?
Robodon, catch that disc. Chase, your net.
Net! We did it! Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for coming so quickly, pups. Mobiles are disappearing all over Adventure Bay.
Oh, my!
Callie!
And people can't call us for help. That's why this is an ultimate police rescue. Chase, I need you and your police skills to lead the team. We're going to need all you pups to crack this case. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
So glad you're here, Paw Patrol. We've got this, Katie. Marshall, use the ladder and get Callie down. On it, Chief. Ladder! That tickles. Mr. Porter, can you tell me what happened here?
I was playing Corn Niblet Crash when I heard my waste bins fall over, so I went to pick them up and left my phone right here.
There may be some more clues near those bins. Rocky, use your scanner to see what you can find. Scanner. Chase, I found some tracks. They're really small.
Can ghosts leave tracks?
These tracks smell like melon. Follow that smell. It's a raccoon. A rocking raccoon. I get it now. Raccoons look for food at night. That's why they went after the melons. I have an idea.
What's your plan?
That's right, little raccoon. Let's dance the Corn Niblet Crush.
You did
Woo,
it!
you did it!
You're the best!
Thanks, Pops.
Thank you, Ryder.
You're welcome.
Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.
Супер кученца са готови за действие, Райдър, сър!
Благодаря ви много, кученца. Изглежда в града има нов злосторник. Не знаем кой е той, но със сигурност има супер сили.
Еха, който и да е, очевидно е супер бърз. И супер силен.
Затова за мисията ще ми трябва супер ръбъл. С твоята супер сила ти ще върнеш обратно релсите. И супер, Роки! С твоите енергийни инструменти ще сглобиш коловозите. Добре, супер кученца, поемат контрол.
Този злодей какво е сторил с релсите? Нищо, което не мога да оправя.
Хейли Дейли лично на място и на вашите екрани. Наживо от гарата на Адвенчър Бей.
О-о, влакът е прекалено близо. Роки, опитай бързо да оправиш коловозите. Рабъл, да предупредим машиниста.
Действаме! Спрете влака! Релсите са повредени!
О, не! Едва ли ще успея на време!
Ще се погрижа за това! Релсите са готови!
Пусни го, Рабъл.
Благодаря, кученца!
Вие сте първите очевидци. Супер кученцата спасиха влака.
Вижте! Чудовище!
Велика природа и чуден свят! Какво е това? Не е от видовете, които съм виждал досега. Време е да се изпаряваме, Дани!
Аз съм Деринг Дани Екс. Да видиш истинско чудовище, ще е много екстремно!
Екстремно плашещо! Да се спасяваме! А, иска ми се лифта да беше по-бърз.
Аз ще го оправя!
Добре ли са всички? Какво се случи?
Движахме се много бързо и след това се счупи.
Поне тук горе сме далече от онова планинско чудовище.
Планинско чудовище?
Беше високо и зелено и тръгна към гората.
Ще се обадя на Пес Патрул! Стълба! Хей, Алекс! Ти си прав. Добре! Внимавай, Алекс, не... Добре сме!
Благодаря, Райдър. Надявам се да намериш чудовището скоро.
Еверест, откри ли нещо в гората?
Райдер, открих чудовището! Това е кметът Goodway, покрита с зелена кал, но тя е върху излязъл от контрол сноуборд и се движи обратно. Надолу по хълма, дръжте се, кмет Goodway, ще ви помогнем! Кмете Goodway, добре ли сте?
Аз вече да. Благодарение на теб, Еверест. Благодаря, Пес Патрул.
Пак заповядайте, кмет Goodway.
Щом видите страшни чудовища, просто... За помощ!
Най-сетне получих мечтаните сили. Сега ще съм най-суперският суперкмет на света.
Супер хъмдингър! Хо-хо-хо! Не! Котенца! Върнете се при мен!
Хорацио, влакът возещ редките бели тигри обратно дома им в джунглата скоро ще мине. Погледни, ето ги тях.
О, котенца! Големи котенца, юпи! О, котенца! Водя ви нови приятелчета! Ах, моето котенце! Котенцето! Котенцето ми!
Кмет Хъмдингър, спрете! А сега е ред на мрежата.
Искам котето! Ще хвана котето!
Какво се случи? Пропаст! Това е тигър! Помощ! Помощ!
Мрежа сега! Супер завихряща сила!
Първи аз! Първи аз!
Бащ огромен тигър!
Щом котето ви е в беда, просто измялкайте за помощ.
Сега, пазете се, котенца! Време е да пробваме автоматичните панталони! Ха-ха! Работят! Ха-ха! Едно плодово смути, моля! Не, това е мое! Долу, котенце! Охо! Какво става?
Какво е това в царевицата ми?
Помощ! Панталоните ми са извън контрол!
Кмет Хъмдингър? Панталони? Изглежда сякаш е в някаква странна беда. Ще се обадя на PAW Patrol.
Панталоните ми не могат да спрат!
Скай, следвай кмета!
Няма да го изпусна от поглед! Виждам лъскавите му метални панталони!
Метални? Аз имам идея! Рабъл, с електромагнитите спри бягащия кмет!
Няма проблем!
Помогнете ми!
Райдер, кмет Хъмдингър отива право към една скала!
Помощ! Помогнете ми, падам! Помощ!
Отворете очи, кмете! Държа ви!
О, измъкни ме от панталоните!
Добре ли сте, кмет Хъмдингър?
Да! Благодаря, че ме спасихте от тези ужасни панталони!
Щом те излязат извън контрол, излайте за помощ!
Райдер, радвам се, че сте тук. Не намираме козлетата никъде.
Ще ги намерим и ще поправим счупената порта. Нали, Роки?
Да! Отвъртко! Кошарата е готова за яретата.
Да вървим! Здравей, кмет Годуей! Какво има?
Козлетата на Юми току-що ми изядоха плащното одеяло.
Идваме веднага! Кученца, козите са на плажа. Трябва да ги съберем веднага.
Заемам се. Тук, кози. Ето, качих ги. Супер! Но кой кара рафта? Прилива дойде и ги отнесе.
Точно когато ние не искахме.
Кмет Goodway ми каза, че козите са тук. Но къде са?
Те малко отплаваха.
Зума, трябва ни водно спасяване.
Да се хуркаме! Ще ви помогна, малки козички. О, не! Райдър, те са стъпкали рафта и плуват навсякъде. Какво да направя?
Трябва да има начин да съберем тези дънери.
Бягаща коза! Като в курса по йога! Бягайте, козлета, бягайте!
Браво на вас, козички! Продължавайте! Аз ще ви изтласкам към врага!
Моите бебчета! Благодаря, PAW Patrol.
Няма проблем. Ако йога козите ти избягат, излай за помощ.
Тези изморени мъници отиват направо от дома.
Античната и пълна стайнственост. Златна статуя на Лупо.
Ами тези статуи, Франсуа?
Това са пазителите на Лупо.
Пазителите ще изпълнят желанията на онзи, у когото е златната статуя на Лупо. Просто удивително!
И феноменално бляскаво!
Това не е бижу, а едно парче от метеор, което ме надари със супер сили! Те наистина ли се движат? Спрете! Да не бите! Да ме послушаха? Донесете ми ковчежето с злато! Аз ги контролирам! Сега те ще присвояват за мен лъскави нещица!
Така Така, супер кученца, ще подмамим Лейди Врана да излезе с най-голямото и бляскаво творение, което е виждала. И ще си върнем златната статуя.
Но нямаме голяма и бляскава статуя.
Ще имаме, затова тръгваме към пустинята с суперджет. Хайде, ето и останалия план.
Колко трудно може да е да намеря гигантска статуя от скъпоценности. Толкова огромна, толкова бляскава. Занесете я веднага в колекцията ми. Пипнахте, Лейди Врана. Какво? Нима не си статуя? Не съм. Аз съм супер кученце.
И златната статуя на Лупо не ти принадлежи.
Мерси, Боко! Без Патрол, вие спасихте скъпоценната ни музейна изложба.
Пак заповядай, ако статуи ходят из града, просто излай за помощ. Гледайте целите епизоди на PAW Patrol по Nickelodeon.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Thanks for hurrying, pups, because we're going to need to build something extra fast. Our monkey naught pal Captain Gordy went off course. We've got to help Captain Gordy to land safely, so I'm going to need a team of pups to build a landing pad. Fast! That's why this is an ultimate construction rescue.
We're on it! You can count on us!
I'll need an expert in building to lead the team. Rubble! And his ultimate construction vehicle. Paw Patrol is on a roll! Oh no! Gordy's supposed to land here, but there isn't enough room for the landing pad.
It's too narrow. We can't go wide. We can go up. What are we going to build, Rubble? Just trust me and follow my directions. First, we need to take apart the old landing pad.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
Zuma, drill post holes over here. Ryder and Chase, let's get those poles into the holes.
I see Gordy's spaceship!
We've got to speed it up. Captain Gordy's counting on us.
Rubble, this is the greatest landing pad ever! A Rubble double spiral slide!
Here he comes!
Ryder, come in, please. Is Captain Gordy all right?
He's landed and is safe and sound.
Thanks, Ryder. You saved the day.
Rubble deserves the big thanks.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Mayor Goodway, Chickaletta, the Turbots, and Danny
That's Daring Danny X!
have fallen into a canyon high up in the mountains. Skye, I need you to fly the ultimate copter and lead the Skye pups on this mission.
Yes! This ultimate puppy's got to fly!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Rocky, use your claw to free Danny from his glider. Rebel, parachute down to the turbot and I'll lower the cable.
No parachute!
Claw!
Yay!
Hi there. Next stop, the ultimate copter.
Woohoo! This is so extreme!
Oh no! My raft's moving!
Skye! Mayor Goodway's raft is slipping.
Marshall, Zuma, I need you to pull the mare onto the platform.
I'm slipping!
Boy!
Got it!
Nice work, Pup.
Oh, what nice smiles! And what a spectacular view!
Thanks to Skye and the pups.
Whenever your climb turns into a tumble, just yelp for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir!
Carlos and Tracker said a strange smell is chasing the jungle animals away from their homes.
PU!
and they're running away so fast that a monkey got hurt. Marshall, I need you to use your EMT gear to help the injured monkey. And Skye, I need you to use your copter to do an aerial search to find out what's causing that smell. Paw Patrol is on a roll! We found Carlos and Tracker.
Ryder, Marshall, we're so glad you're here.
Marshall, you check out that monkey's leg.
X-ray! It looks like your leg will be fine, little monkey. It just needs a little bandage.
Yuck.
Skye, any luck finding what's behind that mystery smell?
I'm over the swamp. It looks like there are a lot of green bubbles coming out of the water. Really stinky bubbles.
Nice work, Skye. Marshall, that looks good. We're going to go and look at the swamp.
Those bubbles are swamp gas. Sometimes old plants and trees rot under the swamp water, and that turns into a smelly gas that makes those bubbles.
Skye, use the wind from your copter to blow the stinky bubbles out of the swamp.
Great idea, Ryder. Bubbles are all gone.
It smells better already.
Jace, Marshall, it's all clear. You can lead the animals back to the swamp.
Will do, Ryder.
Now we can start our photo safari.
Here are some friends who already want us to take their picture. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for hurrying, pups. Olivia the ostrich is in trouble. She's going to be okay because we're going to help her. Rubble, I need you to use your crane to move the rock and free Olivia. Skye, I need you to use your harness to lift Olivia out of the canyon. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Ryder, not a minute too soon!
It'll be okay, Oscar. We'll help Olivia.
Crane!
Got it! Pull it up. Okay, Skye. Use your harness.
I don't think Olivia likes flying. I have to put her down.
Then we'll have to find another way to get her back to her eggs.
Poor Olivia. Your foot hurts, huh?
She definitely can't walk home. We need some wheels. Robodog, come in. I need you to bring the Paw Patroller here so we can drive Olivia back to the ranch. Here's the Paw Patroller, Olivia. Robodog can drive you back. Let's get Olivia inside and...
Shoo, shoo! Ryder!
Robodog, use your jets to catch up with them and lead them back.
Stop! Stop! Thanks, Robodog.
Thanks for saving our ostrich family, Ryder.
No problem. Whenever your birds are on the run, just yell for help. Morning, Captain Turbot.
Look what I found dozing on the deck.
A bear cub? Hang on, I've got another call. Hello?
Ryder, you won't believe what I found sleeping in the pet parlour.
Whoa, another bear. Hold on, Katie, I'm getting another call. Hi, Alex.
Ryder, guess what we found?
A bear?
Yeah.
There's a whole family of bears sleeping in the town.
What am I going to do?
Don't worry, everybody. No bear is too big, no pup is too small. You're up, Rubble.
Time for a tiny bear transport.
The Betty Bye Bear Wagon is ready to roll.
Great job, pups. That's one bear down and 2 to go. Rocky, do you have any wheels in your recycling truck?
Don't lose it, reuse it.
That's it, pups. Nice and quiet. Okay, Everest. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
I did it! 3 quiet cheers for the Paw Patrol! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
on, pups. Follow Everest to the cave.
They look so cozy.
Thanks for returning the bears to their home, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome. If ever you find a sleeping bear, just whisper for help.
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.